My name is Ikoya. I'm the creator and founder of Silky Sax, and I'm here today to do a review of this Sis Sister wig, Maui. But before we get into that, there's a few things I'm going to have to do. If this is your first time here, I want to say welcome. Thank you so much for joining. For all my returning subs, thank you so much as well. Here at Silky Sax, we do videos every Monday and Friday that feature wig reviews, hair tips, hair tutorials, product reviews, and it's all free. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and then hit the bell so you'll be notified whenever we drop a video. And if you're watching over on Facebook, we love you on Facebook too. Go ahead and give this video a like and a share, and then on both platforms, comment down below. Let me know what you're thinking of the wig Maui. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Let's have a conversation. Now, here at Silky Sax, when you're doing protective styling, we know how important it is to protect your edges, especially, you guys, it's summer, it's officially here. We want to be protecting those edges. And so we have put together a free PDF called Great Oils for Your Edges. You don't have to Google and research because we've done it for you. The link to download it is in the description box. In the download, we will give you oils that you can start using right now to take care of your edges so that when you're doing this protective styling, your edges will not be damaged. Now, here at Silky Sax, I love to send a shout out to my subscribers. Those are who I call my Silky Chicks, and today's shout out is going to Beauty by Mark. Beauty by Mark is also a fellow YouTuber. She does wig reviews. She also does hauls, fashion hauls, and I even think she's done some makeup before. So I'm going to put the link to her channel down below. Please go ahead and check her channel out and tell her that Silky Sax sent you. Now, Beauty by Mark is also what inspired me to do this wig. She did a 30 wigs in 30 days last month. And every day she dropped a wig review. And so I seen this wig on her channel. I wanted to do this wig because Sister Sis and Zury Hollywood doesn't get a lot of reviews and a lot of shine, in my opinion, on these YouTube streets. So a sister wanted to go ahead and shout them out. So I had ordered this wig a few weeks ago. But in the last few weeks, unless you've been living somewhere under a rock, you know, here in the good old US of A, where I am located, there has been a huge movement going on. And it's been going on for a while, but it's, thank God, finally gotten the attention of everyone, and it's the Black Lives Matter movement. And so on social media, a couple of companies responded to the movement and showed their solidarity with the community, or lent their support by donating, etc. Well, unfortunately, Zury Hollywood, which owns Sister Sis, who created this wig, was late to the party, and I personally just felt like was a little disingenuous once they did take their stand. And so I no longer will be supporting or reviewing their wigs until further notice. Now, this is not by any chance me telling you what you should do and where you should spend your money. That is totally up to you. Like I said, I ordered this wig to review before all the things that have taken place has taken place, and so I'm going to always tell the truth when it comes to the quality of the wig, what I really think and what I don't think about it. So in that same fashion and with that same intention is why I'm letting you know that I will no longer on my platform be showcasing them. I just feel like if you have a business that primarily caters to the Black community, then when things like this happen to the Black community, you shouldn't need to have prompts or shouldn't need people to be begging you, and you should not be disingenuous with your response to the community. So enough about that. This is not a political channel, so we're not going to get too deep with that, but let's go ahead and talk about Maui. So Sassy Bang H Maui, she is a bang wig, which is one of the reasons why I wanted to review her. I like bang wigs. This wig is on the stock card is actually the Pride wig, and I don't know if you can tell from here, but it has like a rainbow in the bang. I really wanted that one, but I couldn't get it. It was all sold out, so I'm reviewing her in 1B. She also comes in other colors, and I don't know if you can see, but it has tinsel, they have white, they have pink, the pride bang like I was showing. And one of the selling points to this unit is you can do the ponytail, the half up, half down styles, which I did do, so I'll just put a little bit of that footage in here. Now, with those styles, they give you a piece of hair that you can use to wrap around. You continue to watch, please, and you'll see what my final thoughts was on this. Now, looking back, you probably could put the rubber band or whatever on and then wrap this around it, but this alone, honey, and if you keep watching, you will see how it works. This wig is big head friendly. She's falling about, I would say 26 inches. She's pretty long. I'm about 5'3", so if you're into long hair, if you're into inches, then you might want to check her out. I will put the link for this wig in the description box below. As always, I did purchase this one from Glamourtress. So without further ado, let's go ahead and you can get my final thoughts on Maui. And yeah, so let's get into it. So here she is in the package. Let's take it out. All right, so here is Sassy Bang Maui out of the packaging. She has a part here around the bangs. She's not a lot of density. It doesn't look like it's a lot of hair. And it's not in the ponytail. Just grab this piece because I had set it down. It comes with this little piece that you wrap and put on the hair to create the ponytail. So you could wear the wig down like this or in the ponytail. So let's get into this cap. There is 2 combs on the side. You can see the lace where the U part is, and then open style cap with the comb in the middle and the adjustable straps. So let's throw a Maui on. So the bangs are kind of long. Let me pull it back. As you can see, the bangs are long. Let me just go ahead and brush her out. As I'm brushing, no tangles. She is definitely more of a silky texture. And as I said before, the density is not really heavy on this one. So let's go ahead and give it a 360. So here's the front. Here's the right. Here's the left. And let me just throw everything. This is the back. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and style her up. We'll come back and get my final thoughts. All right, so I'm back. So I went ahead and brushed Maui out. I didn't experience a lot of shedding and tangling, especially for the length, so that was a good thing. But I did realize that it has a little bit of a shine to it, like that synthetic hair sometimes has. So I went in with my brunette dry shampoo and sprayed it on the hair and also along the bangs. Then I just went ahead and rubbed it and patted the dry shampoo in to try to take some of that shine away. Now, one of the things that is a selling point about this wig is you can put it in a half up, half down, or in a ponytail with the little piece that comes with the hair. So I went ahead and attempted to put it in a low ponytail with the piece. So this piece is basically just a wrap with hair sewn around it. It has a comb inside and a Velcro on the end so that you can just put them together to create a ponytail. holder. However, when I was using it, it didn't seem very thick, and I was struggling to get it around my hair when I had it on the side. So I thought, maybe let me take the wig off. So I took the wig off and put the ponytail wrap around it. And as you can see in the footage, it was very hard to put the wig on with this around it. And then trying to smooth the hairs back around it and make the hairs lay in place. So the idea of this is nice, but I wouldn't use it. If you want to put this in a ponytail or do a half up, half down, I would just use a regular scrunchie, and I wouldn't even waste my time with this. But if you want to use it, you can. I just think it really works better in theory than it actually does in real life. They just put way too much hair on it, in my opinion, and so it's very hard to use, and it's not very big, and it doesn't give you a lot of elasticity. So that's no on that. So for me, you know, the wig isn't bad. If you want to do a bang wig, if you want to do some color, and you want a wig that is versatile, I definitely would say this isn't too bad for the price point. But because I am no longer standing by the product, I will not be purchasing anything else from them, but everybody is welcome to do whatever they want to do. I just deliver the information. And as always, I'm not going to put it back into the plastic bag that it came out of. I'm going to place it in my luxurious Silky Sack. A Silky Sack is a luxurious silk-lined bag that I designed not only to store your wigs, but to add longevity to them. The silk lining allows the hair to just glide and helps it retain moisture. It also cuts down on the shedding, tangling, and matting that the hair does when it goes back into the plastic. So if you would like to have your wigs last a little longer and you want to see what Silky Sacks is all about, the link to our website is down in the description box. Please go check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, we're here every Monday and Friday. And remember, better care is better wear.